Here's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. From the handcrafted bi-turbo engine to the dynamic performance exhaust, this AMG GTS combines poise with purpose. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Twin-turbo V8 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop-start feature, hands-free liftgate, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual-zone climate control, streaming audio, voice-activated climate controls, memory steering wheel settings, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,